Gender difference between boys and girls. Boy and girl facts tutorial. Biological differences. Boys usually have XY chromosomes, while girls have XX chromosomes. Boys have higher levels of testosterone, while girls have higher levels of estrogen. Physical development. During puberty, boys often grow taller and develop more muscles. Girls usually develop breasts and experience menstruation as part of their physical changes. Difference in brain. Research shows that there are some structural and functional differences between the male and female brains, but these differences are not absolute and vary from person to person. Cognitive abilities. Studies have shown that boys and girls can excel in different cognitive areas, but individual variation is significant. Girls may have a slight advantage in verbal skills, while boys may excel in some spatial and mathematical tasks. Social and cultural factors. Gender roles and expectations can vary widely across different cultures and societies. It is important to recognize that gender identity is not solely determined by biological sex and can be a complex and individual matter. Education. Efforts are ongoing to promote gender equality in education and encourage girls to pursue STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics fields. Health. There are some health-related differences between boys and girls, such as different susceptibility to certain diseases or conditions. Remember that these facts provide a general overview, but individuals can have diverse experiences and abilities regardless of their gender. It is essential to respect and support each individual's unique identity and abilities,